Thank you all for coming here and reliving the moment with us. It is a great moment for us, especially for our whole team. 19, 20 years back, we worked for it. We conceived this film, and when I had this title, Tal, so my cameraman, Mr. Kabir Lal is here. Everyone is here now, so we can talk at home. So I told him I'm making this story, but we want the film to look as a divine film. He said, what is the title, sir? And I told him, Tal. He said, yeah? I said, Tal. Sir, Tal. He was wondering, आगे कुछ बोलेंगे, तालम ताल बोलेंगे, या कुछ बोलेंगे. I said, just it's a Tal, short. Don't you think, sir, it's too short title? Very innocently he suggested me, I remember that. So I remember the moment when I went to Rahman, and Rahman is always my favorite, and everyone's favorite, you know that. But we started together in 95, 96, trying to understand each other. I was trying to impose my jig music. He was trying to give me away. Let me do my job. So we were three Punjabis, myself, Anand Bakshi and Sukhvinder, who pounced on him. And he's sitting in Chennai, he said, oh God, first he said this film and these three Punjabis are coming on my nerves, how to control them. But he took it so patiently. He was so patient with all of us because he wouldn't speak anything. Whenever we say something, he would look at his piano and he would start playing his piano. So we had to keep shut. So he knows how to keep you shut because he keeps himself shut. So the best quality in Rahman is the silence in him. The silence in him makes him divine, and that is why you can see the film, all his music, there is a divinity. Even it. Whenever I praise somebody, please don't stop. Okay. So I also remember when I went to him with the subject Tal, and I narrated him the story, but I didn't tell him the title because मुझे थोड़ा शक था कि शायद ये title पसंद आएगा या नहीं आएगा. So I told him, Rahman, there's a one line here, and this picture belongs to you. He said, hello, belongs to me? I said, yes, because the title of the film is Tal. Means, I said, rhythm, beat. Wow. What is the story? Then I told him the story from his point of view. Can you beat this? That how a rhythm goes with a different 6 chapters. It goes from the pitcher sound of pitcher and dholak, then tabla, then octopad, then drums, and then finally timpani. He understood, he was looking at me. He got it. Yes, we will do it, sir. So I went on speaking. I said, how do you react? You know, his reaction is, what was his reaction? I said, let's, you understand? Do you understand, Rahman? Let's work now. You will say, let's work now. And whatever the Tal today is, for the last 20 years, people have been watching, people have been loving all over the world, all over India. All credit goes to Rahman for the music of Tal. We are missing one great person here. His name is Anand Bakshi. Had not Anand Bakshi been there, who would understand us, what are we doing? This Tal wouldn't be there. The lyrics he wrote about it, you all know Tal's lyrics. And we miss him, we remember him. He is still with us. You saw him, and his music is with us, his lyrics are with us, and we pay our full tribute to him. So, you know, it was practically a teamwork. The best thing happened in Tal was. Why I say it is one of my best films, rather I would say it's my best film, because I had nothing to do. There was a very simple story. But the best thing happened in this film was that everyone in the unit was totally dedicated in the film with a very divine, very pure feeling. And that is why the simple story was elaborated on the screen in such a way that whether it was a sound, whether it's a background score, whether it's a dialogue, whether it's a cinematography, whether it's a framing, whether it was choreography, all my choreographers understood what I am trying to say, and they all contributed. So it is not a one-man film. It is a film of many talented people behind it. Hats off to them. We have here Javed Saab, Javed Siddiqui Saab, who have been very famous writer, poet, man of literature. He accepted my film to write Tal. And when I narrated him the subject, he asked me, "Are you sure you are making this film?" मैंने बोला, "Yes, sir." Why did he ask me? अभी तक इतनी बदतमीज फिल्में बना रहे थे, तमीज वाले क्यों बना रहे हो? तो मैंने बोला, जी हम बनाएंगे, आज कोशिश करेंगे हम ऐसा। तो सब पूरी मेमोरी मेरे साथ हैं। माय चीफ असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर शाकिर इज हियर, हु टॉलरेटेड मी। यस, शाकिर, ही वाज एंकर। तो जब भी मैं गुस्सा करता था तो लोगों को ठंडा यही करता था जाके। और जो फिल्म बनी है उसमें बहुत लोगों का हाथ होता है। सो आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल अपॉन वन बाय वन on the stage. First, Shakir, why don't you come first? वादा किसी से करिए ना कोई। Just tell me only in 4 lines to them, to my friends who have come here, they are well-wisher here. In 4 lines, how it all happened and why did it happen that we are again having a premiere show on this screen.
Thank you so much, Subhashji, that we all are here, and it was an opportunity for me to learn the basics and grammar of cinema from Subhashji. As Subhashji just said, Tal happened because he wanted to weave music by Mr. A.R. Rahman through his storytelling, and it was really divine magic on screen, and we really worked hard day and night. And the most important thing is that in the month of August, when it was raining heavily throughout, from August 2nd to 10th of August, everybody was drenched. It was pouring like anything, and we shot the song Tal Se Tal Mila in Khandala.
Oh. I remember that when, after listening the composition by Rahman, he had given one sound of rain in just one template in between. And that gave me the idea that this song should be, Tal Se Tal Mila should be picturized under rain. And I think probably this was our first time when we were 85 unit members, and we picturized the whole song for 6-7 days under the rain, in the real rain. And we were all wearing raincoats, 85 raincoats. And everybody was drenched, you said rightly. But now when you see the film, you have to tell me one question. Where Tal Se Tal Mila song was shot? We'll ask you in the interval, not now. Thank you. Now, the Tal Se Tal Mila is not only music, it's a picture. That's why you are watching this same film on the big screen. Why did we bring this film on the big screen? We have watched 100 times, 20 times, 10 times on small screen. The cinematography of the film. Give a big hand. And that master cinematographer is with us. His name is Kabir Lal. Please come. Thank you, Kabir ji, for wonderful photography. Please.